Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use DocuSign to sign documents. Your journey begins with an email. You will receive a notification from DocuSign or directly from the sender, indicating a document requires your attention. Open this email and look for a prominent button, usually labeled Review Document or View Documents. Clicking this button will securely direct you to the DocuSign platform, allowing you to begin the signing process right away. Upon opening your document, take a moment to read through its entire content carefully. You can easily scroll down or use the navigation tools, often found on the screen, to move between pages. As you review, pay close attention to the various fields marked for your input. These might be designated areas for your signature, initials, or even text boxes for dates or other information. Ensure you understand every section before proceeding to sign anything. When you encounter a signature or initial field, simply click on it. DocuSign will then guide you through adopting your electronic signature. You will have options. Either select from several pre-generated styles or draw your own using your mouse or a touchscreen. After you adopt your chosen signature, it will be automatically applied to that specific field. For any additional signature or initial fields, a single click will instantly apply the signature you have already adopted. Once every required field has been completed, from signatures to initials and any text boxes, look for the Finish or Complete button. This is usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. Clicking this button securely submits your signed document, sending it back to the sender. You will almost always receive a confirmation email, and shortly after, a copy of the fully executed document for your personal records, ensuring you have proof of your signed agreement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.